Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today, we're going to learn how to add the Quick Access Toolbar on Microsoft Word step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more great tips. Let's get started. Step 1. First, click on the search box on your computer and type Word. Then, open Microsoft Word from the search results. Step 2. Once Word is open, click on a blank document. After that, navigate to the top of the toolbar and click on the File tab. Step 3. In the File menu, click on More, then select Options from the context menu that appears. Step 4. A new window will pop up. From this menu, click on Quick Access Toolbar. Step 5. To add tools to your Quick Access Toolbar, select the item you want from the list on the left, and then click the Add button to include it in your Quick Access menu. Step 6. Once you've added the items you want, click OK to save your changes. Finally, take a look at the top of the toolbar to see the Quick Access Toolbar with the items you just added. And that's how you can easily add the Quick Access Toolbar on Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.